Good evening, Angie. Well, the rest of the country is looking pretty quiet at the moment. Here's what has brought you the cold and wet weather. We had some thunderstorms starting early this morning over parts of the interior. Then during the course of the day, the storm clouds have been translating eastwards, leaving us with mostly clear skies across the rest of the country. However, around the western areas of the Western Cape, we also had cloudy and rainy weather throughout the day. Now, this is ahead of another fairly big cold front which is set to hit these parts of the country as we go past midnight tonight. So here's what you can expect for the rest of this evening. We are going to see isolated showers extending from Limpopo through Gauteng into Mpumalanga and into eastern KwaZulu-Natal. It will be mostly fine but pretty chilly tonight for much of the interior. Then further west, just after midnight, this cold front is going to hit these parts of the country, introducing heavy rains and windy conditions across the western sections of the Western Cape. Then on Friday, as we go through the first half of the day, we are going to have mostly cloudy, showery and cold weather for much of the Western Cape, the western areas of the northern and eastern Cape provinces. It will be mostly fine for eastern South Africa with warmer temperatures. However, in the western sections rather, we are going to have a cold breeze blowing into these parts of the country. Now, the South African Weather Service has issued a warning for heavy rains that could result in localized flooding over the western sections of the Western Cape, including around the Cape Metropole. We also have a warning for gale force winds as well as high seas along much of the south coast between Cape Agulhas and Port Alfred. Now, with that, here's a look at the winds across South Africa for the next 24 hours. Light to moderate winds are forecast tonight for much of the interior, but as the cold front hits our shores, we are going to have strong winds setting in along the southwest coastline and also over the southern Cape interior. Then through Friday, the strong winds will spread along the south coast into the eastern Cape coastal areas, even reaching East London towards the evening hours. Now, here's a closer look at what you can expect in your part of the country. It's going to be cloudy and rainy for the western areas of the northern Cape. Chilly in these parts of the province. Sutherland managing a high of just 8 degrees. It's going to be cold in the morning for much of the northern Cape, but mostly sunny and mild weather is forecast for the northeastern sections in the afternoon. Cloudy, rainy and cold weather is expected for the Western Cape, where top temperatures are going to lie in the mid-teens for most areas. Similar weather can be expected for parts of the southern Cape, but it's going to be a bit warmer for Port Elizabeth, where a few sprinkles of rain can be expected later on in the afternoon. On the other hand, it will be mostly sunny for the eastern areas of the Eastern Cape, including around East London, where a warm 25 is forecast for the top temperature. Sunny and mild to warm weather is forecast across much of KwaZulu-Natal, Durban warming to around 28 degrees on Friday afternoon. We could see a bit of cloud over the Mpumalanga Highfield, where it's going to be mild in the afternoon, but hot afternoon temperatures are forecast for Mbombela and Skukuza. In Limpopo, it will be sunny on Friday with warm to hot afternoon temperatures forecast in most areas. We are going to see just a bit of cloud overhead for parts of the northwest, and top temperatures here are going to lie mostly in the lower to mid-20s. Another chilly start to the day is forecast across much of the Free State. In the afternoon, it will be sunny with cool to mild afternoon temperatures. Then in Gauteng, we are going to see a slight warming in afternoon temperatures with just a bit of cloud overhead. Johannesburg and Soweto peaking at around 21 degrees. Now, just looking ahead to the first day of the weekend, cloud and rain weather continues in Cape Town. We will see isolated showers in KwaZulu-Natal. Gauteng should be sunny with mild to warm afternoon temperatures. Then on Sunday, light rain is forecast for parts of the south and the east coast. Sunny weather should continue in Gauteng. That's all from me for now. Back to you.